Bonjour mes étudiants. So in today's class we are going to do passé composé. As you all know that there are two verbs that we need to form passé composé. First is avoir and second is être. So in this class we are going to do passé composé avec avoir. Although most of the verbs take avoir and there are very few verbs which take être. So let's get started with passé composé avec avoir. So first of all we need formation. So to form any sentence we need a subject. Then here comes conjugation of avoir in présent, which means the auxiliary verb, the actual verb of avoir. As you all know that the conjugation of avoir is, I am writing it down here for your reference, j'ai, tu as, il, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, il, elle pluriel, on. So just for your reference I have written the conjugation of avoir over here. So let's just take a random verb parler over here, which means to speak. I have written all the subjects over here like here as per the formation: je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle pluriel. So after then the auxiliary verb avoir au présent, et, a, avons, avez and o. Now it is followed by past participle. Now the question arises, how do we form a past participle? So here I have written it. Let's see how do we form past participle. So in French there are three regular verbs. First is er ending verb, second is ir, and the last one, third one is re ending verb. So how do we make past participle of er ending verb? Here I have taken a random verb parler. So it ends with er, right? All you need to do, if a verb ends with er, you need to remove er and put this e avec exo. So you are left with, if you will remove er, you will be left with parled. The radical will be parled, and you have to add just this to make the past participle of all the er ending verbs which are regular. Alright. Obviously there are some exceptions, there are some irregular verbs that you need to learn. There is no hard and fast rule for that you need to learn. But apart from those irregular verbs, this is what you need to follow. Similarly, ir ending verbs, in all the ir ending verbs I have taken finir over here. You need to remove ir and put I. For example, if you will remove ir, you will be left with fin. All you need to do, add I. So fini would be your past participle of ir ending verb. Let's move forward to re ending verb. Here I have taken the verb vendre, which means to sell. So now you will remove re from the end and add u. Whatever you need to add, I have circled it separately over here. So if you will remove re from any re ending verb, you will be left with here from vendre, vend. Simply you need to add u, which means vendu is the past participle of vendre. Clear? So now let's proceed with our formation. Here we were doing for parler verb, and which is followed by past participle. So for parler, just like we have done here, we have taken out the past participle. Simply you need to put parler over here with all the subjects. J'ai parlé, which means I spoke. Tu as parlé, you spoke. Il, elle a parlé, he or she spoke. Nous avons parlé, we spoke. Vous avez parlé, you spoke. Il, elle pluriel, on parlé, they spoke. So that's how we have done the er ending verb. Let's move forward to finir, which means to finish. J'ai fini. Similarly, the subject, conjugation of avoir, and the past participle that we have learned, how do we get it? Fini. Okay. J'ai fini, I finished. Tu as fini, you finished. Il a fini, he or she finished. Nous avons fini, we finished. Vous avez fini, you finished. Elles ont fini, they finished. Similarly, we have done it here, taken the verb vendre just like we have done it there. Vendre, to sell, j'ai vendu, I sold. Same, the subject, the auxiliary verb of avoir and the past participle vendu here. RE ending verb is there, so similarly we have just remove RE and put U over here. Everywhere just remove RE and put U to make the past participle of RE ending verb. So, j'ai vendu, I sold. Tu as vendu, you sold. Il, elle a vendu, he or she sold. Nous avons vendu, we sold. Vous avez vendu, you sold. Ils, elles ont vendu, they sold. So, that's how we form, and let's just for practice let's do an exercise over here. So, these are the questions I have taken, and that's how in your exam the questions are gonna come, just for your reference. Wait a minute. So, the first sentence that I have taken is je dash pour l'examen, and you'll get the verb, the action that needs to be taken. You'll get the verb in the bracket. Prepare is given here, which is an ER ending verb. You'll have to check this first of all. Je is here. First rule is to apply avoir, the preso form. Here, till here everything is clear. After then, the verb given here is prepare, which means it's a ER ending verb. All you need to do, what do we do in ER ending verb? We remove ER from the end and we add E avec accent, which means we are left with prepare, and now just simply put E with accent. That's our answer. Alright. Second sentence is nous dash les nouvelles, and the verb which is given in the bracket is entendre, which means to hear. Now this is an RE ending verb. We'll remove RE from the end, and what do we put? We put U over there in the end. With nous, the subject, the conjugation of avoir is avons, nous avons. Now the radical will be, after removing RE, will be left with entendre and just add U. Nous avons entendu les nouvelles, which means we have heard the news, or we heard the news. Next is vous dash le travail. The verb which is given in the bracket is finir. So first of all, let's simply put the conjugation of avoir, vous avez, and then how do we get the past participle of finir? It's an IR ending verb. Simply remove IR, will be left with FIN and put I over there, which means you finished the work. Now, elle dash son problème, and the verb which is given in the bracket is expliquer, which means to explain. Simply put the avoir, the conjugation of avoir, elle a. Now again it's an ER ending verb, cut ER and put E with accent. So expliquer. Elle a expliqué son problème, which means she explained her problem. Now il pluriel is given here, so with il pluriel the conjugation is en. Ils ont réussi. It's an IR ending verb, so simply you need to remove R from the end and put I. They succeeded. Ils ont réussi. Now, Marie dash à la lettre, and the verb given here is répondre. Marie, which is a girl, so elle, you'll have to conjugate with elle. Marie a, it's an RE ending verb. Simply remove RE from the end and put U, which will become répondu. Marie a répondu à la lettre, which means Marie responded to the letter. That's how we are going to do passé composé avec avoir. Do let me know in the comment section if you are having any doubt, and in the next class we will be doing passé composé avec être. Au revoir.